So this is our first attempt at a sluice box. Now we've kind of made a 1x4 rigging to fit onto some ductwork that we kind of put together. We've got a cradle here for it, as Matt's demonstrating. Okay, and we've got all the carpeting and matting cut and our riffles made. Now it's just a matter of assembling it all, which we have cursed a few times about, but we're getting through it. So Matt's going to show you how we've set this thing up here, and I'm just going to video. For some reason he wants to hold the wing nuts in his hand here. Now see, this time we're going to attempt to overlap our matting and just see what kind of whatever we get, because it seems to be every time we try it we get a blowout going on. And of course we're after the fine gold. So as you can see, we got 3 different types of riffles, and now we're putting in the heavy riffle at the top, which also is overlapping. Now he's forgetting the grates, but at the moment here you'll get that figured out here. Now we've got them cut so they go in a certain way, but as tight as possible. It's important that you get the expanded metal going the right direction so it creates a little pocket eddy which holds the fine gold. We're very anxious to try this out. Happens to be about 7 o'clock on a Monday evening when they get this done. We're madly thinking of how close the river is and how much time we do have left, but I think we're going to have to put it in for tomorrow after work. Now this is the more difficult part. What we've done is we've made our riffles so that they kind of bolt through. And we've custom swore, because you know how it is in the backyard, you don't have the right size drill bit. So we've had to ream it out, which kind of gets stuck in the middle of the board. And it was just recently that we figured out that we could actually stand this up and do it instead of laying it down and fighting trying to get this short bolt in through and behind the riffles. I'm actually quite surprised. It's been pretty quiet from Matt over there. Usually I hear quite a few cuss words coming. Looks like he's still trying to get that bolt in. There we go. We're getting closer. He's got the wing nut out there. You can see the wing nuts there. And that holds the one side. Now we're going to do the same to the other side here. So you can see our choice of a work table happens to be a outdoor table that I'm supposed to resurface. As you can see how far that got. But now yeah, he's getting the other wing nut on there. He's spinning that up. Now we're going to drop the riffles down in. It's kind of a tight fit, which you want it tight, so you don't get any blow by. And then you can see the bolts at the bottom here we got just to hold it down tight. You just pop them in there, and there we go. And as you can see, I'll try to come up a little closer. You can see underneath our riffles there we have the expanded metal. It goes on through to a heavier rubber mat riffle that we're just going to try out at the very beginning and see if it does catch anything. After all, we are going after the fine gold. And there you have it. The Corey and Matt sluice that we put together for just under 70 bucks. Now, it might take us a year or so to pay for it with the fine gold that we do find, but hell, it was fun. Over and out.